defined by physical prowess alone. It's the resilience of the spirit that fuels the warrior within. Unknown 2. In the strength is not defined by physical prowess alone. It's the Strength is not defined by physical prowess alone. It's the resilience of the spirit that fuels the warrior within. Unknown 2. In the face of challenges, we rise united as a sisterhood, empowering one another to conquer every battlefield we encounter. Anonymous 3. As a female soldier, I'm not here to prove anything to anyone. I'm here because I believe in my capabilities, and I'm determined to protect and with unwavering dedication. Anonymous.